We are pleased to show you the 2008 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, skid plate package, cruise control, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, engine hour meter. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.